Good morning, children. See this question. In figure, lines PQ and RS intersect each other at the point O. Line PQ, line RS intersect at the point O. If angle POR and ROQ, these two angles are in the ratio of 5:7, find all the angles. So that means you have to find out the measure of this POR, QOR, QOS and POS. So what you have to find? Measure of angle POR, measure of angle POR, measure of angle QOR, then measure of angle QOS and measure of angle POS. First one, it is given angle POR is to angle QOR, ROQ equal to 5:7. This is given. What do you mean by this? That means you can write, you can take angle POR is 5x, angle ROQ is 7x. Or then what is the sum of this POR and QR? Because the OR is the ray standing on this PQ, or you can say this POR and QR are linear pair. What is the sum of the angles of a linear pair? It is 180 degree. Therefore, this POR plus QOR is 180 degree. So from this we can take angle POR, I am taking it as 5x. Angle ROQ, I am taking it as 7x. And second one, sum of these two angles is 180 because they are forming a linear pair. You know what is a linear pair? Linear pair means two adjacent angles. Then if the non-common arm form a line, then these two adjacent angles are said to be linear pair. Therefore, this POR and QOR, these two angles, they are adjacent angle and the non-commons are on the opposite, that is they are forming a line. Therefore, these two adjacent angles are said to be linear pair. Sum of the adjacent angle of a linear pair is 180. Therefore, I am writing angle POR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180 degree. So this one, I have written here QOR, question it is given ROQ, same ROQ, I am writing ROQ only, measure of ROQ. So it is a linear pair. You just write down only the linear pair. The sum of the two adjacent angle of a linear pair is 180. Now I am going to substitute this one. POR is 5x, ROQ is 7x. 5x plus 7x is equal to 180 degree. 12x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 by 12. So 180 by 12 you can 1, then 6, 5. So x is equal to 15. So you can write each angle. Third one, what is the angle POR? That is 5x. So it is 5 into 15 degree, 75 degree. Then fourth one, you can find out angle ROQ. ROQ is 7x, 7 into 15 So it is then fifth step. You know you got POR, which is a vertically opposite angles are there here. So POR you got 75. This is vertically opposite angle QOS. So these two angles are equal. And this one ROQ you got 105. Then this POS is the vertically opposite angle which are equal. So I am going to write down angle POR equal to angle QOS. That is equal to, what is POR? 75. Both the angles are 75. The reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. The next one you got ROQ. So which is the opposite angle here? POS. This is a vertically opposite angle. So angle POS equal to 105 degree. The reason is C. So you got measure of POR equal to 75. Measure of QOS is equal to 75. Measure of ROQ is equal to 105. Measure of angle POS is equal to 105. So all the four angles you got it. Second question. In figure, ray OS stand on a line. This is a ray OS stand on the line POQ. Ray OR, this is the ray OT are the angular bisectors of POS and SOQ. That means OR is the angular bisector of POS. That is, it is dividing it into two equal parts. Now this one SOQ. OT is the bisector, means it is dividing this into two equal parts. These two angles are equal. But it is given in this question POS is X and you have to find out RO2. So what is given? Given is angle, all this one OR bisector of angle POS, then OT bisector of angle SOQ, then angle POS is given X. What you have to prove? You have to prove, that means you have to find angle ROT, this angle. First point, what is given? So I am starting from what is given. POS is X, that is given. If POS is X, OR is the bisector. So each of this angle POR and angle ROS, each angle will become X by 2. So here this is X by 2 and this is also X by 2. So therefore here angle POR equal to angle ROS equal to X by 2. Why it is given X by 2? Because it is given OR bisector of angle POS. Since it is a bisector, it is dividing into two equal parts. Now the third one, we can take angle SOQ as Y. Then fourth step, if angle SOQ as Y, OT is the bisector. So what is angle SOT? SOT equal to angle QOT equal to Y by 2. So this is Y by 2 and this is also Y by 2. So therefore here it is given OT bisector of angle SOQ. So you got this is x by 2, this is x by 2, this is y by 2, this is y by 2. So you know when you add this all these four angles, you are getting a straight angle. Don't write it is a linear pair, because the linear pair there should be only two adjacent angles. Here there are four angles, so all four angles together forming a straight angle. So you can add these four, x by 2 plus x by 2 plus y by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 180 measure of straight angle. Fifth one, angle POPR plus angle ROS plus angle SOT plus angle QOT is x by 2 plus x by 2 plus y by 2 plus y by 2 equal to 180 degree. The reason is measure of a straight angle. Measure of a straight angle. All these four angles together form a straight angle. So x by 2 plus x by 2. You know that x plus x is 2x. 2x by 2. This is 2y by 2 equal to 180. This 2 and 2 cancel. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, then two ways are there. Otherwise you can take this 2 out. So when you take 2 out, it will become x by 2 plus y by 2. Okay, I'll do that way. It is 2x by 2 and 2y by 2 equal to 180. I am taking 1, 2 out. So it is x by 2 plus y by 2 equal to 180 degree. Then this 2 I can take it to the other side. X by 2 plus y by 2 is 180 degree by 2. That is equal to, see here we got x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 90 degree. This is sixth point. X by 2 plus y by 2 is 90 degree. What is x by 2 here? You can take ROS as x by 2 and SOT also as, I think I'll show it here. Eighth one. So sixth one you got x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 90 degree. So seventh point, from the figure you can see this is x by 2, this is y by 2. So I am taking, in the place of x by 2 I am substituting ROS. And in the place of y by 2 I am substituting SOT. So here x by 2 is angle ROS plus angle ROS plus angle SOT. That is angle ROT. So angle ROT, you want to find out ROT, that is equal to angle ROS plus angle SOT. This is from figure you can see. So ROS I am going to replace by x by 2. SOT I am replacing by y by 2. Why it is? Because since angle ROS is equal to x by 2 and angle SOT equal to y by 2. So x by 2 plus y by 2, you got it 90 degree here. This one is from 6. From this 6 one, x by 2 plus y by 2 is 90 degree. Therefore, what you got it, angle ROT equal to 90 degree. So once again, This is the bisector. So angle POS is x. Since this is the bisector, this is x by 2, this is x by 2. We have taken SOQ as y. So this OT is the bisector, therefore y by 2, y by 2. So when you add all these four angles, x by 2 plus x by 2 plus y by 2 plus y by 2, then it is forming a 180 degree angle. So x by 2 plus x by 2 is 2x by 2. This is 2y by 2. I have taken 2 out of this. This step we can cut it. So 2 you can take it out. It is x by 2 plus y by 2 is 180. Then x by 2 plus y by 2 is 180 by 2. That is equal to 90 degree. You can take 2 to cancel. X plus y is equal to 180. Then each term you divide by 2. Then also you will get the same step. So x by 2 plus y by 2 is 90 degree. You see here, this is x by 2, this is y by 2. Angle ROT is equal to angle ROS plus angle SOT. That is x by 2 plus y by 2. We have already proved that x by 2 plus y by 2 is 90 degree. Therefore, ROT is 90